So Plumb Park's a mixture of 2, 3 and 4 bedroom homes in Exmouth. It encompasses 268 homes, 3 blocks of apartments, some HA, and the development is in partnership with Clinton Devon Estates to build around the main feature, which is Donkey Hill. The crescent design seemed the way forward. There's nothing else I like it in the surrounding area and areas.
The Smartroof system is a prefabricated rooming roof system manufactured at our factory in Derbyshire. The prefabricated rooming roof system is then delivered to site, craned into place and installed by the Smartroof team. Once in place, the roofs simply require roof tiling.
It was my first time dealing with a Smartroof. From making the first initial phone call and making contact with the guys, everything was a smooth process. From a site team point of view, it simplified it and streamlined it.
The main challenge at Plumb Park was to create a crescent of rooming roof house types. The plot has to be narrow at the front and wide at the back. In order to do this, the correct geometry needs to be designed into the panels so that they fit together on site. The style of roof that Smartroof chose to adopt for this development was to utilise mid-purlins. The mid-purlins applied loads to the gables, allowing the panels to be designed flexibly to suit the crescent shape.
Because of the curvature and the build of the house, having that single componentry to be able to work with that arc was far easier than trying to do it in a truss.
Offsite fabrication allows the cassettes to be made in a factory-controlled environment using the latest machinery and tools. Given the complexity of the project, the production team were able to work closely with the design team to produce the correct panels.
It's always been believed that off-site construction is more expensive, but I think now with the drive to improve quality and speed and improve manufacturing facilities out there in the UK, off-site is starting to take the lead. Last year we invested just over £1.2 million in the manufacturing facility. This has now allowed us to increase our capacity by over 150%, which will enable us to produce around about 25 plots a day.
The system has many benefits: less waste, better control over quality and safer to install.
The speed of construction, improved health and safety and cost certainty, but it also reduces the logistics on site of managing labour and materials.
So anything that can be made on the ground or off-site by a specialist contractor obviously is a safer way of working and a shorter time up to heights when they're being fitted. Waste is very key to us these days, and obviously having it made off-site there is no waste. Anything else will be taken away with the contractors. From delivery to complete installation was probably around about a week on the first block and slightly less than that after that. Any teething problems we had were overcome efficiently and professional, really.
It's estimated that the system saved 8 weeks of installation time compared to on-site installation methods.
I think it would have been terribly difficult to do under the normal remit of a supply contractor chain. It would have been bad enough just on a straight run of townhouses, let alone the fact that it was a curvature. Having single components which were designed off-site, brought in off-site, it speeded it up no end.
We get an extra floor, an extra room, and it makes it more of a family home than a smaller version.
Getting a larger 3-bedroom house on a smaller blueprint of foundation, if you will.
We're delighted with the outcome of this project. It demonstrates the versatility of the Smartroof system and the technical ability of the team being able to meet even the most demanding design.
Personally, I think it was a great success. The finished product speaks for itself. The rooming roof is great. I think the proof's in the pudding with the feedback. Everyone's happy and enjoying their new home.